This is Josh with MarineMax of New York. Today we're looking at our 2020 Scout 255 Dorado. This boat comes with the shark gray hull, hard top, also comes with twin Mercury 4-stroke motors, 150. Let's take a look inside. As we step onto the Scout, you'll notice a door here in the transom for easy access to the cockpit. A tow pole for your water sports. A live well. Pull out seating. Hard top, as I mentioned. This one comes with a Yeti cooler. Sink. Nice home, Garmin electronics, Fusion stereo. Notice the door to close when you're underway. Nice big sun pad up here on the front. This boat does come with the windlass anchor. Ahead. LED lighting, nice pole to grab when you're underway. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at MarineMax in New York. Happy to help.